This is a Husqvarna 50 I'm going to be messing with on this video. I'm going to be changing the bar and chain out actually on this one. I want to go down the size. I figured, well, I haven't used this saw all summer because the blade is dull on it and I haven't had much use to use it, but I need to cut some wood for winter coming up, so I figured I would go down a bar size and use this saw more or less to do some trim up work on anything we drop. This is the Archer Australia Mini Max bar and chain. It's going to be a 16-inch. Bar seems to be pretty good quality. It's pretty heavy. I'm going to try it out on my Husqvarna 50. Okay, this kit comes from eBay, Archer Plus. It was $38.98 for the bar and chain. Husqvarna's been making these 50s since they come out with the Rancher in '82. These are some of the specs for this. And this will be our chain specs for what we're using here, what you can use, and what the chain pitch and speed is. Okay, we're going to be taking off 2 bolts to loosen our bar with this chainsaw wrench. Just take those off, and that will loosen your bar up to where you can take your chain off. Had this saw for quite a while, since at least like 2012. I got it used myself. I'm not sure exactly when this one was made. Husqvarna still makes these saws, the 50 model. I don't know if they would be as good as this one's been to me, but we're going to get this chain off of here. Pull our old bar off. Okay, I'm going to install my Archer Australia Mini Max bar here. Okay, when you're going back with this chain, just make sure you're on your chain drive behind this and not sitting outside of your sprocket back there. See, that's where you want to make sure your tensioner's in that hole right there. Make sure this is how your chain's going too, just like that. Chisel side there, you can see how that is. Alright, now we'll get our cover back on there and get the chain adjusted. Get our 2 bolts back on our cover there. Okay, I'm going to get my bar reasonably tight here, and I'm going to tighten my bolts back down. using my chainsaw wrench here. However, this tool does not work very well for adjusting the spring tensions. That's pretty close like it is. Okay, your tension screw is going to be right there. And I'm going to adjust that till my chain has just a slight bit of slack in it. Turn it clockwise to tighten it. That's pretty good right there. Just a little bit of slack in it. 50 to 1 sugar fuel is what I always use, and everything I run small engine around here are 2-stroke. Getting to be $9-10 a can for this stuff. Okay, see how she cut. There's the Husqvarna 50, brand new bar and chain. Y'all like it when they're brand new and you can still see all the writing. And that's putting a new Archer Australia Mini Max 16-inch bar and blade on a Husqvarna 50. Thank you for joining me.